Hi, my name is Nadine, one of the owners of Black Fly Environmental, and we are at Bootcamp 2026. We're out here doing the training that we don't get to do when we're in the field, or that doesn't get done when you're in school. So we do a lot of safety training, we do truck inspections, we do ATV inspections, we do trailer, we inspect everything that we use in the field to make sure we're doing it safely. We practice backing up trailers, we practice loading and unloading ATVs. We also practice our technical stuff, so we've got Chris Clement, our veg lead, out teaching everybody how to do ecocide assessments. We've got Michelle out teaching everybody how to do wildlife sweeps. Emily is out teaching everyone about small mammal trapping, and Adam Hope is teaching everybody how to keep the fishes safe in our streams. So we do this ideally every year. We missed last year, and we have a fun slogan this year is Nature Fix 26. So it's 3 days of safety and bonding and having a great time and crowning somebody Bootcamp Champ, which you do get a gift card, but the biggest thing is getting to be put on the plaque with Spirit of the Baptiste so that black flies into the future will remember who you are and talk about you with awe.